kabida, welcome to my YouTube channel, Alvin Ganda Morales. Hi mga kabida, welcome to my YouTube channel, Alvin Ganda Morales, and this time we will feature again my mini ATM's garden because this is the most viewed video in my YouTube channel. Tara, nasyalin muli natin. Welcome to my mini garden. This time we will feature A to Z plants. The Aglonema, also called Chinese evergreen, is a highly decorative plant with several interesting varieties. The begonias are native to moist, subtropical and tropical climates. Some species are commonly grown indoors as ornamental houseplants in cooler climates. Caladium, they are often known by the common name elephant ear, heart of Jesus, and angel wings. Dieffenbachia or dumplings, some species are widely cultivated as ornamental plants, especially as households, and have become naturalized on a few tropical islands. Epicia plant is related to the African violet, easy to grow. Their foliage and colorful trumpet-shaped flowers add brightness to any room. A foxtail is a spikelet or cluster of a grass that serves to disperse its seeds as a unit. The geranium is an iconic, fragrant garden flower, easy care, abundant bloomers whose bright flowers will blossom. Hoya are easy care indoor plants if you have the medium to bright indirect light that they need, probably referring to the plant as a wax plant. Ivy English or English ivy is also called as hedera, is an easy to grow evergreen perennial vine that can be invasive outdoors but makes a very attractive indoor house. Jade is commonly known as lucky plant, money plant, or money tree. It is a succulent plant with small pink or white flowers that is native to the South Africa. Kalanchoy are pretty low maintenance plants, thriving in the low humidity of winter households. Cucharita, also called joy weeds. Lipstick plant is a beautiful flowering indoor plant prized for its shiny foliage and interesting flowers. Marble Queen Photos, its quick growing vines full of variegated green and white leaves will make any space look more lush. Nerve plant or Phytonia, an eye-catching houseplant that is popular for use in hanging baskets, container gardens, and terrariums. Orchids, diverse and widespread family of flowering plants with blooms that are often colorful and fragrant. Peperomia is a delightful, easy-to-grow houseplant that's been around for years and it's still popular. Queen of the Night is a species of cactus and one of the most cultivated species in the genus E. oxypetalum. Blooms rarely and only at night. Rose geranium is a type of geranium plant with leaves that smell strongly like roses. Rangon creeper or Chinese honeysuckle is a vine with red flower clusters and native to tropical Asia. Sansevieria or snake plants was one of the top performers, well known for its air purifying qualities. It can remove benzene and others. Tomato is a flowering plant of the nightshade family, cultivated extensively for its edible fruits. Fern plant The silver vase or urn plant is a species of flowering plants in the bromeliad family native to Brazil. Velvet plant called purple passion is a species of flowering plant in the daisy family. Is one of the most unique houseplants you can grow. Wandering Jew is a species of a spiderwort, more commonly known as an inch plant or wandering Jew. Yucca plant is a plant with large, long, sword-shaped leaves. As the age gradually increases, the lower leaves shed and bare stem will appear. Zazay plant are known as flowering plants, but they very rarely produce flowers. Instead, the plant is known for its wide, dark green leaves. Thank you for watching my video and visiting my YouTube channel, Alvin. See you again.